Hello friends! Today we are going to learn about some amazing wild animals. Let's explore and have fun together.
This is a lion.
This is a lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. It is strong and brave, and it lives in groups called prides.
This is a tiger.
This is a tiger. Tigers have beautiful orange fur with black stripes. They are powerful hunters and love to live alone in forests.
This is an elephant.
This is an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have long trunks that help them eat, drink, and communicate.
This is a leopard.
This is a leopard. Leopards are fast and excellent climbers. They often rest high in trees to stay safe and watch for food.
This is a giraffe.
This is a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Their long necks help them reach leaves on tall trees.
This is a zebra.
This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes that make them look unique. Their stripes help them stay safe by confusing predators.
This is a rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros. Rhinos have thick skin and 1 or 2 strong horns on their noses. They are big and powerful, but usually calm animals.
This is a hippopotamus.
This is a hippopotamus. Hippos spend most of their time in water to stay cool. They have big bodies and strong jaws.
This is a buffalo.
This is a buffalo. Buffaloes live in large herds and are very tough animals. They use their big horns to protect themselves.
This is a deer.
This is a deer. Deer are gentle animals that live in forests and grasslands. Male deer have antlers that they grow and shed every year.
This is a wolf.
This is a wolf. Wolves live and hunt in groups called packs. They communicate with each other by howling.
This is a bear.
This is a bear. Bears are strong animals that live in forests and mountains. Many bears sleep through winter in a long rest called hibernation.
This is a kangaroo.
This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos are from Australia and can hop very fast. They carry their babies in a pouch on their tummy.
This is a bison.
This is a bison. Bison are large animals with hump-shaped backs. They once roamed the grasslands in huge herds.
This is a gorilla.
This is a gorilla. Gorillas are strong and gentle primates. They live in family groups and are very similar to humans in behavior. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos.